Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how we can repair a kettle if there is any problem in the kettle and then we cannot on the kettle. If you can see here this kettle, even we on the switch there is no any light, then there is no any warming. So how we are going to solve the issue? Normally this kettle is issue only this button or the part of the down element pin sometime loose or whatever, mostly not a element problem. We always the facing problem only this switch or here the pin. So first of all we open the kettle first and then we see how we are going to solve this issue. In this kettle here got two screw. You can see I just take out this plug. Then you can see here the clip. Just take out this cover first. Then you can see here the two screw. So we open this two screw. It's very simple and easy to do. You can do it by yourself at home. It's not required many tools or whatever. You can easily repair in your house. So we take out the cover first. Sometimes this button also is stuck here also. That is causes the cannot switch on or whatever. So we check first now. Now we open already. Then we check the electricity if there is receiving any electricity or no. My test pen can show. I off my flashlight so easily you can detect. Okay. So you can see here. You can see here the incoming got. If I on the switch, incoming. And then outgoing, we cannot receive any outgoing from this switch. You can see here the incoming, this one outgoing cannot receive. Even we off the switch, but both it's same. I on is still same. So it means to say we change this switch to settle our problem, the kettle. So I have this additional kettle, but because in our hotel we have lot of facing this problem, so I not throw any like this parts, so easily I can use anytime spare parts same like this or same like the pins or anything else I want to buy the parts I can use from that old kettle. But you can easily buy this switch. I take out first the supply. You can easily buy this switch from any hardware shop. It's costly, not costly much, around 1 or 2 ringgit. In Malaysia, in other countries also it's cheap, not expensive. So you can easily change this switch. So now actually this switch is problem. You can buy yourself any hardware shop, or if you have any old, same like I am using this kettle to use, take out like this switch and then I use to solve my issue. But you can buy easily from your shop. So I take out this switch. Then we can easily fix here. It's very simple and easy. So before we close, we try first if there is got any supply or no. So we on ready. So now you can see here the light is on. Light. Okay, and then one more other thing I want to show you, the bake element. So we take out first the supply. After we can close this one. I just want to show you the another reason why always our kettle is not working. So you can see here, if I take out, so you can see here, this one is the main supply. Then you can see here the neutral go directly to the element. Then one neutral come here for the this one. Then another life go here to the switch. Then switch out, come back to the this element. So sometime what happen, sometime this cable loose or this cable loose also causes sometime this pin very loose, so our kettle is not working. So you make sure when you open, you check first this all the parts, if there is any cable loose or whatever, so you check properly, and then after you can easily close back, just 2 screw or 3 screw. So this one is simple and easy connection. This one for the live holding, then this one is the neutral. Then neutral is direct go to the element, then live go to the switch, switch come back here to the element, then this one is the LED. It's very simple and easy. Mostly this element is not faulty if you not leave too much without water, it's not spoil. Mostly the reason only the switch and these pins, nothing else. So I just close back first. So you can see here the switch 2 clips, just put inside like that. Then this one for the holding the handle. Then we put back our cover. Then put the screw. Then you can see here the 2 hooks. Then here got hole. So put one side. Then close it. So I put the water for the testing. We put here. Then close. Then we on. Now you can see here the on. So our automatic also working. Then you can see here the water already boil, it's automatically off, so everything is okay, 100%. Okay friends, hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.